He got called up. I'm fine. Can I get up? Can you help me?
Oh, Mikey action got him going stir crazy. He acting like he having a conversation with somebody else about Mikey.
Another Sandy, you have to evacuate. And if you don't let there be another Sandy part two.
See gay.
Okay, I got him talking like a bitch.
Talking to himself, crying about you.
I'm talking to your dead mother pussy.
Mikey, what would you do? What would you do if you threatened to beat somebody up, instigated everybody on the radio, try to convince people you're talking about them when he's not keying up, and then had to call other niggas, and on top of all that, came to your sidewalk how many times, and still went home with fucking crying to see the python punk, blah, 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 blah. Sap sissy, man. Yo, not even in the hindsight of the vision. Pay me no mind list.
Wow. All you gotta do to get rid of these guys is hold up the phone. And they all fucking freak out and run. Me, you held up the phone. I'd come over and smash it, break it, stuff it in your nose, and crack it over your head. Not run. It's the last thing I would do. Well, then again, I'm a man, and like that, funny like that, so I can't say nothing about it. These days you can't talk about that, it's everywhere.
Cracky holding hands with his racist bitch.
He crying and whining, dude. Oh, Mackie wound him up, gave him a crutch and wound him up. He took off talking ever since. I really want to run the Popeyes, man, so I'm going to get back in the cut.
Yeah, me too. I'm back in the cut.
There's old cracky racist cocksucking friend right there. Well, Cracky ain't got nobody left. He ain't got nobody left for that racist cocksucker. That old ass fucker. What, you just came out the hospital, motherfucker? What, you had another operation? Power shit. Michael Powley, what, you had another operation? You old ass bitch. What, you just came out of surgery, you old ass fuck? What, you just came out of surgery, you old ass motherfucker? Motherfucker, I haven't even been out here this summertime, man. He disappeared. You got too many goddamn doctor appointments. You gotta keep up with all them goddamn appointments, yo. Fucking old ass bitch. Motherfucker's an old racist cocksucker, man. And that's Richie Flint. But then Richie sucked the fart out of black man ass on the Super Bowl.
It'd be a miracle if he cried some new lyrics. Same shit for 10 years. Richie got him stuck on stupid.
Black man ass on Super Bowl. Then when he ain't got nobody to jump in front of him, he go run to the racist old ass bitch, Michael Powell shit. He ain't got nobody else. Eventually I'll make Cracky return to his true nature. You racist cocksucker.
You want my true nature? Try to tell him about it the next day, homie.
You might not make it the next day. Homo. You might not make it the next day. Homo.
Yeah, 2 summers ago I was dying. It was going to be this summer. Embarrassed yourself right off the radio. She can't face it, man. You're known amongst the East Coast as the biggest radio pussy on the bandwagon. You know what? I'm glad I ain't got your crown, homie.
Bitch.
He's so funny, man. He knows he ain't got no battle, bro. He can't do a damn thing. He can't do a damn thing but go back on that key as quick as he come off. Yo, you can imagine what his game is on the sidewalk? Peekaboo.
Give some of that hot air, baby, man. Poor little Craigie.
Alright, when the lights go out, you know what time it is, boys and girls. The king.
And this is when the midget runs. This is when the little midget run and turn the light off and go in the corner in the dark. When the lights go out, cause you running, bitch.
Just like you ran off the sidewalk, except I'm not crying on the radio about it, bye.
Who the fuck gonna run from you, man? Who gonna run from you? You little fucking reckless ass midget. A motherfucking kid, a crippled motherfucker in a wheelchair won't run from you, man. The fuck you talking about? What John Shaft say? What Brian Horner say? You could barely stand up. You got one lung. You could barely breathe. Before you motherfucking raise your hand, motherfucker two-pieced you up.
All they're trying to do is get you to live up to your lips, man. I mean, after all your antics throughout the years, instigating everybody, calling niggas not on the radio, you know, doing this, doing that, all they're trying to do is bring you to fruition, boy. So naive, you don't even see it. All right, let me get back in my quiet chair, man. Let Cuppy cry out, man. I'm going to give him the hand to talk to, man, because, you know, punk nigga want to fight on the radio, man. Couldn't fight on the sidewalk. Hey, but hold on. I'm the bad guy here. I'm the bad guy for not wanting to use my radio time to fight with the sidewalk sap says, hey.
McDonald's, that little aluminum chair. You fucking bum, bitch. Motherfucker, his whole life he lived like a bum, yo. 2 more months. All rise. Gotta face that judge. What you gonna put on, Mr. Payne, dead suit? What you gonna put on his wedding suit?
Yeah, let me kill some of your lyrics, man. They postponed it till next August. I'm back in the car.
What you gonna do, put on a dead man suit? Motherfucker, you gotta go November. Next August. You gotta go November, bitch. Either way, your ass gotta go, man. Any motherfucking day. U.S. Marshal. Your ass gotta go. Cause you ain't paying no mortgage, you definitely ain't paying no taxes on that. Huh? You barely making a utility bill. Bergie? And welfare tired of giving you motherfucking money. Cause you ain't making no god, you a bum. And that radio nickel and dime shit ain't cutting it, man. Ain't cutting it. Cause you know you on food stamps. You know, and you was using up Mr. Payne food stamps. Cracky gotta throw himself before the court. He gotta throw himself before the court to give him mercy so they can look at him that he's a bum, old ass retard, yo. You ain't fooling nobody. It's a matter of time. And God forbid you get hit with something that enters your body. God forbid you get sick. And what you gonna do? You ain't getting no motherfucking younger. Now you turned into an old bum. Do you realize that, Richard? You turned into an old fucking bum. You didn't know that? You didn't know you was gonna be an old ass bum? Scary, huh? But you retarded, so it sinks in, though. Trust me, it sinks in on him. don't want him. Everybody done left his bum ass. He knows it's a matter of time he gonna drop dead right before that radio. When the last time you had a physical? Come on, let's talk about that real shit.
The humans gotta worry about that.
Somebody? Come on, man. Man, you get hit one motherfucking time, yo, emergency room, yo. You in the ER. You get hit one time, your ass is in the motherfucking hospital, yo. See, Richie talk all that bullshit. That's why he hide. Trust me, he hide like a bitch. Yeah, Michael Polly shit just found out his radio's garbage. You see how he gonna hold that racist cocksucker hand? You see that? You see how he gonna hold that racist cocksucker hand? And look, then he go down to the Super Bowl to suck a fat out of black man ass. God damn.
I do impact him.
Another brutal ass winter coming. Nasty, brutal winter coming. Ammonia season. Ammonia. Liquid in the lung. You know what he's facing. That beast is still out there. That shit culminates with the flu now. You can't have a normal flu these days. But if you got a strong immune system, I'm talking about getting sick. Anybody could be a carrier with no symptoms. I'm talking about when you get sick, motherfucker. What are you gonna do? Because they go accordingly on your insurance. If you ain't got that insurance, you got some welfare shit, they gonna put you right where the welfare people go. You ain't gonna get the proper care. How you think I walked out of that bitch? Huh? It goes on your insurance. You in a world of shit, Cracky. Matter how you white and you stupid. Stupid white man. How you white and you stupid? Now look at all his life, he wanna be a black man and shit. Well, look at white trash, wanna be a black man and shit. Trying to walk like a black man, and he only look like a fucking retard. They look at him like, look at this motherfucker, man. He got, that black man done turned his ass out. Look at him. Look at little midget. Look at little pudgy midget trying to get him by. Look at that. Man, you are a fucking joke, yo. You know, motherfucker, when they first seen you, anybody that did business with you or met you on the fucking radio, hey, look at you, man, they laugh their fucking face off, yo. Motherfuckers sitting up there telling bold-faced lies and shit. I know they don't believe that. But you know, you want to get the radio work done, you know, the little nickel and dime job. It's not really no serious job. This motherfucker's still pulling out fucking audio eliminators, man. That shit is so 90s. He's still pulling out audio eliminators, yo. He can't fuck with a radio that you could turn that shit off and on. You ain't got to go in that bitch. Everything's digital. He can't fuck with that. the radios that been in the garage for like, what, since the 90s and shit? It's only right. It's a retard. He thinks he's a technician, so let him think it. And in the meanwhile, you can gas him up to the point where he'll wash your car, he'll scrub your toilet, he'll probably even paint your bathroom. You know, just to give him a couple of buckets, a paintbrush, he'll do anything, you know? He won't just motherfucking do radio and shit. That motherfucker do your laundry, scrub your toes.
I'm out.
Yeah, he don't just do he don't just do the radio, man. He don't just be doing the radio and shit. Motherfucker do every goddamn pick up dog shit. He clean. That motherfucker clean the trash cans. He out there scrubbing the damn trash can and shit. Nah, they try to give him enough time to get this shit out of there. Like, you know, Mr. Payne always loved you. He molested you and shit, so he gonna let you stay here for free. Cause you clipped his toes, and, you know, you washed his asshole and shit. You know? So they, you know, cousin like, yeah, well, nigga, you live here for like a dog and a dog, like a homeless dog or some shit. But you gotta go, motherfucker. White man. And then he be on the Super Bowl sucking the fart out of black man ass, right? And then he say it right to their motherfucking ears, because he ain't gonna say it to their face. Ain't no gangsters on 6. 35 got the gangsters and shit. And when 35 don't got nothing to do with him. Don't got nothing to do with his bum ass.
He pays attention to Richie, don't he, boys and girls?
They be jumping his mail when he go up there kissing ass. They be jumping Mel, noticing how he talks all proper with etiquette when he on 35. But then when he go to 6, he talk with fart breath, because he be sucking the fart out of black man ass. Surprising them. They like, yeah, we hearing you when you're on 35. They surprise them on the boat. They be like, we hear when you change up when you go on 35. Because they got your card. And you white, they know the deal. Why you think you don't get along with 250? Because it ain't nothing like when a white person know you a bum and you white too. He has a deep shame in himself, knowing that he's a white trash There's a deep embedded shame in Richard. He knows that. That's why he won't get along with 250. It burns him inside.
Let me point out the difference to you about 35. Most of them guys up there have old family members, friends, and people that I've killed and seen me in action and know all about my reputation. See, we listen to you and we laugh at you. See, you didn't see what happened on 31 when my name came out, when my family name came out. You didn't see what happened in 72 hours, right? Hey, C. Gay, have a good night, punk bitch, I'm gone.
Liar. Nobody believes a liar. Nobody fucking believes Richard the Lie. Richard the Lie the Third. Nobody believes little Richie the Liar. Nobody gonna believe little Richie the Liar. Little bitchy Richie. Nobody gonna believe Richie. Nobody believe your bum ass. Everybody. What Stevie Ramone call you? He call you a
this coffee pot better hurry up so I go upstairs.
You could go there kissing 1,000 asses on 35. When Stevie Ramone come out, it's over, man. Cause Ramone don't buy your bullshit. He know you're a white trash. You're a fucking bum little scum bitch. Why do you think he call you a cockroach? That motherfucker Ramone be having Richie fucking stuttering. He be you fucking 5-foot cockroach. Oh, Craigie, he tell you his name on 35? Oh, Richard. Richard, you ain't tell nobody yet? Richard. You ain't tell nobody your name on 35, Richard.
King of all these crying, whining queens. Especially the D-block ones. So ugly. He gotta talk on radio. He gotta talk long distance. Listen to this cheap shit humming and buzzing.
You need to talk long distance.
Listen to that nasty buzz.
So he can feel like somebody he wanna be. Cause you know he fucking uglier than a dirt, like a, you know he uglier than a decomposed dirty rat. Motherfucking dumbhead bitch. Motherfucker looking like a thumb, man. Little bumbleino. Little dumbleino over there. Little fucking dumbhead looking motherfucker. Said he was on a SWAT team and shit. No, I said you were a squat team, motherfucker. You squatting, bitch. Right now you a squatter. Yeah, because Mr. Payne died, yo. You know, he ain't got nothing to do with it, rest in peace, but he died. So he's sleeping in the dead man bed, he's shitting in the dead man toilet, he's eating out of dead man fridge. know, Cracky, this is all you got. Cause ain't a day go by, you ain't talking, man. A real technician that's making money ain't got time to talk on radio. They gotta get that motherfucking work in. Ain't making no real money. We pitch and feed, motherfucker. Motherfucker ain't making no real money. The money he make, I spend that shit on one bottle. Piss it on your dead mother. That's another thing. His mother died. His mother died. Ain't leaving shit. No inheritance. And you white. Now your mom didn't leave you no inheritance. You know you a piece of shit. Motherfucker come out here and talk about Merry Christmas. Fuck his family in the program. What program is that, Richard?
The one Lou Rawls tells you about in the song Natural Man. How many times do I gotta put it in the description of these gays? Oh, poor Wussy, cause he gay. He gay.
Motherfucker out here.
I'll be nice for you, Mr. C. Gay. I'll put it in the description of this video as well. And all you have to do is pay attention to the first 27 seconds of the song.
Here telling fibs. Old ass motherfucker telling motherfucking fibs, yo. What's not nice?
King! Let's cover all this shit up.
And talk to snitches. That's a fucking little... Richard is a rat fucking cocksucker, man. Yo?
All you gotta do is find one person out here that I ratted on, or arrested, or got arrested because of something I knew. Poor CK. Still trying to live out this rock in the face fantasy. Oh, man. All right, guys. Y'all have a very blessed night. Let's see what time it is here, man. Let me see what's going on here. Let me see.